think again. I'm on the board of directors of this lousy company. I fought worse monsters than you for years in Hollywood. I know how to win the hard way. This ain't my first time at the rodeo. Don't fuck with me, fellas! Don't fuck with me, fellas!
I hate the world today. You're so good to me, I know, but I can't change. Tried to tell you, but you look at me like maybe I'm an angel underneath, innocent and sweet. Yesterday I cried, must have been relieved to see the softer side. I can understand how you'd be so confused. I don't envy you, I'm a little bit of everything, all rolled into one. I'm a bitch, I'm a lover, I'm a child, I'm a mother, I'm a sinner, I'm a saint. I do not feel ashamed. I'm your help, I'm your dream, I'm nothing in between. You know you wouldn't want it any other way. I'm a bitch.
Hauling me over to Mayor's table like some picked-up floozy. Or one of those starlets. Out to give the big shots a nice night in town. Is that what you think of me? May as well have property of MGM tattooed on my backside. You expect me to ignore my fans? They're life and death to me, baby. They're the ones who really made me. Supplying the grease that makes this shitty movie business work. You think your life's a mystery. There isn't a dirty cover-up in this entire business that I don't know about, and your hand is in every one of them, you reek of it! Where you going? You belong here. Please don't leave, because if you do, you'll never come back in again, no matter what you say, or ask, or do. Please don't go. Don't leave me here alone.
If you're acting, you're wasting your time. If you're not, you're wasting mine.
I'm not acting.
Take me as I am. This may mean you'll have to be a stronger man. Rest assured that when I start to make you nervous and I'm going to extremes, tomorrow I will change, and today won't mean a thing. I'm a bitch, I'm a lover, I'm a child, I'm a mother, I'm a sinner, I'm a saint. I do not feel ashamed. I'm your help, I'm your dream, I'm nothing in between. You know you wouldn't want it any other way. I'm a bitch.
You love to make me hit you. It's wonderful. It is wonderful. You deliberately embarrass me in front of a reporter. I told you how important this is to me. I told you. Why can't you give me the respect that I'm entitled to? I would be treated by any stranger on the street. You never use that tone of voice with me, Mitzi. Who do you think you're talking to? I'll tell you what you're gonna do. You're gonna march yourself upstairs to your room, and you will stay there until I tell you to come out. saying she's getting old. What do I get?